My name is Tony Richardson and I'm Executive Chairman and co-owner of Bray Wanderers Football Club. Bray is one of only 20 licensed professional clubs in Ireland. We're playing in the First Division in the League of Ireland. We have an ambition to get to the top table of League of Ireland football and ultimately participate on the European stage. We are in our third season here at Bray Wanderers. We've made a significant amount of commercial progress. We've got the business to a point where it's now financially sustainable, and we're now looking at the next phase of development and growth. In terms of moving the club and the business to the next level, we've looked at the investment landscape, we've looked at the momentum the league currently has, the amount of inbound investor interest in the league. We've identified co-investment as an ideal way forward for us, and we've identified Spark Crowdfunding as an ideal platform for us to deliver on the next phase of the growth in the club. There are a couple of things we're anxious to achieve through this initiative. One is facilitate some fan participation in the ownership of the club. Certainly since I've been here, we've received a number of inquiries from supporters and fans looking to have more involvement and a sense of ownership of the club. The Spark platform facilitates that participation ideally. And secondly, we're looking to accelerate the development of our academy, and the Spark funding platform also is ideal in terms of assisting us to deliver on that initiative. Generally, the league is seeing a lot of inbound investor interest. There's been activities at different clubs with investors from the US and Canada and other jurisdictions coming into the league. We've also recently seen the Winklevoss brothers investing into Real Bedford FC, an investment I believe of $4.5 million. Bedford are playing in the 9th tier of the English League. So it's certainly an area that's attracting significant interest, significant media exposure, and I think destined for more inbound investor inquiry. So our plan is to facilitate supporter and investor interest in the club. Principal use of proceeds will be to accelerate the academy development further. We've got 120 participants in our academy, young, talented players, boys and girls, and successful pathway development there is essential to future transfer fees, an important revenue line for the business going forward. So we have had some success in that area already. We have, I think, a tried and tested model that can deliver success for the business, and that's where we'd like to deploy new proceeds that come in from this investment round. We have, I believe, a strong management team that has invested seriously in the business to date. The management group have a strong track record of delivering both on-field and off-field, with a successful business track record involving capital raisings, successful listings on international stock markets, and delivering strong returns for our co-investors. We believe, as a League of Ireland club, we are sitting on an opportunity which has target market or catchment of upwards of 150,000, and in our view is probably one of the best opportunities in terms of development that exists in the League of Ireland currently. So the opportunity is for Spark investors to come on the next phase of this journey with us. We're offering an opportunity for Spark investors to subscribe for up to 500,000 euros of new money at a pre-money valuation of 2 million euros, which would equate to a 20% equity participation post-money. Management are committed to co-investing in this financing round. Currently the business has a relatively small amount of debt, circa 150,000 euros. If we look 2 years out, say calendar 2026, we would anticipate that the club would generate circa 2 million euros in revenues and be in a position to generate profits of 500,000 euros. If we look at delivering those numbers and we deliver on the other strategic pillars that we've planned for the business, we believe this would position the club and the business very attractively, additional inbound European investors or some exit opportunities for people coming in at this round. Revenues are expected to grow fourfold over the next 5 years, which will open up the prospect of paying dividends, but also I think position the business strategically on the international stage in terms of attractiveness to either other European clubs or US investors. The 3 to 5 year vision for the club is to be competing at European level with all the joyous and financial benefits that brings. There are European investment houses interested in that proposition and looking for quick access to Europe. The ratio of 4 clubs in the League of Ireland qualifying for European competition is attractive and no doubt will result in inbound inquiries and inbound interest as we achieve those levels of performance.
I'm Pat Devlin, Head of Football at Bray Wanderers Football Club and shareholder. My responsibility is to look after all football matters relating to Bray Wanderers Football Club. The academy starts at under 13 and goes all the way up to first team football. I've also been involved with many other League of Ireland clubs from UCD, Bray Wanderers, Drogheda United, Athlone Town, Shamrock Rovers. I've also been very involved in the UK with the likes of Liverpool, Newcastle, Blackburn Rovers, Chelsea, Celtic. Been very involved with a lot of different types of players coming to and from Ireland to the UK. The League of Ireland at this moment in time is thriving and it's really going in the right direction, and our club is one that is certainly trying to do that on and off the pitch, and we look forward to the future.
I'm Gary Loons, I'm the General Manager of Bray Wanderers. I'm responsible for the day-to-day operational and commercial aspects of the business. I'm an accountant by trade, spent most of my career in financial services and joined Bray Wanderers in 2021. As the league continues to see impressive growth, we have made progress across all our revenue lines and have introduced a number of commercial initiatives to ensure the future sustainability of the company. Apart from operations, my role also includes oversight of club and community engagement, to which the club have contributed significant resources to our Football Social Responsibility programme, to which we have seen visible benefits.
Why invest and join us on this journey? We have a management team that is highly experienced both in terms of football, international business and international markets, committed to participating in this round on a co-investment basis. What we believe to be an unrivaled catchment opportunity and target market opportunity in the South Dublin Wicklow region, which we estimate to be circa 150,000 in terms of target audience. We have put the business on a firm financial sustainable footing, deliverable pathway plan for our academy, which we believe can elevate the academy to best in class in a 3 to 5 year time frame. The opportunity as one of only 20 licensed League of Ireland clubs to fight for and play for opportunities at European football level. For outside investment capital, this relatively small 5:1 ratio in terms of access to European football will become increasingly attractive as live sport and live football continue to generate massive international interest and inbound capital investment. There's an opportunity for Spark investors to participate along with and on the same terms as a management team that have delivered significant success in the football environment, international business environment and international markets, and we'd welcome you to join us on this journey. Spark investors can own 20% of the opportunity by investing on the same terms as a management group who have successfully delivered international exits previously.